Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your rear wheels of an Audi A1 or S1. First step, open your car at the driver's seat and have a seat, of course. Then push the clutch pedal and switch to gear number 1 if you have a manual transmission. Then pull the handbrake. Now your car is supported at the first step, of course. This is the main support act. Now extract your body out of the vehicle and have a look. There is some supporting wedges. These supporting wedges we will place at the front wheels. This is the second supporting unit. Now extract the hubcap, of course, by pulling it off the tire. And now, as you can see, there are 5 bolts which are supporting our wheel. So let's start and have a cross. And tighten, not unscrew, the bolts in half rotation. This is enough. Only in half supporting rotation. There is a lock, of course, not at every part of Audi or some other drivers. Systems are built with this lock. This is a special lock to prevent of thief. There you will use a special part, a key. This you have to untighten by pressing it inside and then rotating it smooth and gentle to the left side. But this is the right. It's the same theory like the others, only in half rotation. So now let's go under the car and about 30 centimeters to the front there is a massive part under your edge. This edge is for the car jack. We will need a supporting rubber for this. This is a better, but it's an optional part. There you have to place the lift unit or the car jack, of course. Now it's time to lift it up, your car. Take care that the car jack is in a 90 degrees angle, of course, and the wheels are in one line of your car jack. This is important. So now lift up smooth and gentle your car. Oh yeah, by pumping it up, make a support look or supporting view after some pump situations. And as you can see, the car jack is running inside a little bit, but this has to be normal. It is important that the car jack does this. Okay, now it's time for the force of supporting unit. This is a supporting stand. Place it under a massive construction part under your vehicle, and it's better to make a rubber on top of this. Then let your car jack down a little bit until you have contact to all these 2 parts. This is enough. So you have now pulled handbrake, switch to gear 1, use supporting wedges, the supporting stand and your car jack. Now let's untighten all kinds of the bolts. The normal bolts, as you can see, rotate them out of the wheel, of course, or of the hub, as you can see. Use the special lock to pull the special nut down with this. I think we will not use this again because it's a little bit tricky and it's so fast broken, really. But it's a anti-theft tool. So now as you can see, we all unscrewed all the bolts. Now it's time to remove the tire. Shake a little bit and then pull it off and out. Good job. Easy going, as you can see. Sometimes it's so hard to pull it out. You have to use a hammer, of course. So now make a short check up of the technology behind your tires. Is everything in a good shape, in a good place? Oh, but this looks good. The brake is okay. Now use a brush. It's a metal brush to clean the car or the tire up a little bit, and then we are going to lubricate it. So this is the cleaning part of this wheel changing action. Now use a little bit of brake fluid cleaner to clean up the brake. Yeah, good job. And now there is, oh yeah, the lubricating part. This is an optional part. You do not have to do this, but in the future it will help you to remove the tires easily. Really, this is a little short tip. And now let's go to the new rims. Ooh, it's time for the new rims, as you can see. Take the tire and have a look on the side and check the profile, of course. It's important if you have some tires with direction on it, so you have to place the right direction of this tire. That means if there is an arrow on the side, this is the driver's side. If there's no signification of this, you can assemble this tire at all of the locations at your car, of course. Then push it on top of the hub, as you can see. Adjust it a little bit until the tire or the hub holes are matches. Now it's time to assemble the car or tire bolts again. Use for this the tire cross, of course. Rotate them back in position, but do not tighten the bolts too much because of the torque wrench, but this torque wrench setup will come later, of course. Now it's only a hand adjustment for this. It's important to assemble the bolts in crosswise direction, so start at right, then left, then the upper place and down, and every time if you are use to tighten the bolts, then go to the opposite side of it, as you can see, or as it is shown there. This is important to make a flat, balanced surface pressure. Good, now it's assembled. I will not use this lock again, but this is the same way. If you like it, you can use it. Use for this a socket wrench and the lock, then place it back in position, of course. But take care, these special nuts will damage easily, really. So now shake a little bit. Oh, everything's fine. Then we are going back to the car jack again. The car jack we have to pump up a little bit because of our supporting unit under the car. So push the car up a little bit, like 2 centimeters or something. Then remove the additional supporting stand and then open the valve to let the car back on the ground again. Do this smooth and gentle for preventing some damage. Good job. And now you are going to extract or remove the car jack and have a check. Good job. Now it's time for the socket wrench. I think 120 Newton meters set up, and then go and tighten the bolts cross way or cross direction, as you can see. Pull or tighten the bolts until you hear a click sound outside of the torch wrench. This is enough. Do this in cross direction, as you can see, and of course take care and make this process after 1 week again. Yeah, easy going, job's done. Oh, we are so awesome, and these tires are nice and beautiful rims too, as you can see. Wow. Of course, you have to remove the supporting wedges at the front side of your car, and after this, job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. Oh, there's something I've forgotten. There's a cover to assemble. If you have so cover, place it in the middle and then push it in position. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.